Arjun, a talented software engineer from India, found himself frustrated by one significant barrier at work: his difficulty with speaking English fluently. While he excelled in technical skills, presenting in English was a challenge. During meetings, he often hesitated, stumbled over words, and felt insecure about his pronunciation. This fear of being judged by his colleagues held him back from sharing his ideas and participating fully in discussions. Determined to overcome this obstacle, Arjun devised a plan to improve his English speaking skills. He began by practicing in front of a mirror every day. Speaking out loud to his reflection helped him get used to hearing his own voice in English, allowing him to work on his body language and pronunciation without the pressure of an audience. Over time, this built his self-confidence. In addition, Arjun joined online English-speaking clubs, where he could practice conversation in a relaxed environment with people from around the world. These interactions allowed him to become more comfortable with spontaneous speech and helped him pick up natural phrases used by native speakers. The support of fellow learners and regular feedback from native speakers gave him the motivation to keep improving. To further enhance his skills, Arjun incorporated reading aloud into his daily routine. Every morning, he would read a chapter from a book or article in English, focusing on his pronunciation and rhythm. This practice helped him improve his fluency and broaden his vocabulary. Within a year, Arjun's confidence soared. He was no longer hesitant in meetings and was even asked to lead a global project. His journey from frustration to fluency proved that with consistent practice and determination, anyone can overcome language barriers and turn a weakness into a strength.